If you want to know your concern for Adom TV, adwumadi baako yi a gye hini pa eye Adepam na season 2 na nche bia na baby ye kebao ona wo ye panyina kyese ofa ahenche no eso aye na wo de ni monyam akwakopie mu obia ye ya mpanimfo hwensa no dwuma ho nsem so de fa isua e wo school mature TVs na Director General Adema Ghana TVET service na eye mawusi awuti wo de afutu ama wo mo wonsa no dwuma se ya wo nwo ho na emwa emasika emra wo moto.
Na wohwe bebre akire yi a wonom edi enwuma hodo ewo Adepam season 2 ni mu no kebao en wo bo ni din se wadi nkunim ewo saa adwumadi ni mu.
2 winner kebao Premtobre Kasee when I 15,000 Ghana cedis.
Na adwumadi no director woda Ghana TVET service ano ene koda ne die sei ene adwumadi no ekoye.
I bet say workplace experience learning be in a way. Adom TV, mudi adie we aba. Ye friends Adepam, atade a me chef Adepam insano edwuma.
Kebao edi nkunim ewo Adepam season 2 mu ewiye no. Woko Ghana TVET service wonom headquarters. Na woko no nyono nko an woko ye. Wone Adom Brands general manager ewo Multimedia Group Limited Abdullahi Awudu ene Adom TV channel manager Kwesi Akon ena ekoye. Na wono bota nyina ne se wode kebao ekwa akochia Director General esane se woye obi a wakasa efa technical and vocational skills ho ya wopese etumi ekonkan. Mawusi nu depo awiti eye Director General ewo TVET service wobo Adom TV abaso se woboa ama omanfo nimdie ene wonom adomachede ewo Adepam ho no AP ofasa akwanya no so etu kebao fo
Adom TV die minim asida me de bemamo because mu boyen papa mu project because TVET service is all about insane ejuma. We are very, very grateful say dear enya omano enu na mo so mo contributing mo projecting in there are people who are very talented but omunya the exposure no mo na mo ma that exposure. You are going to turn all these people into fashion designers. Adom TV mo na mo boa putting smiles on people's faces and putting money in their pockets. What you have done is indirectly putting money in their pockets. And TVET service wants to say thank you, and we pray that it continues, and TVET service would continue to work with you to project that.
Nyin emuno kebawa wodi nkunim ewa Adepam season 2 mu efasa akwanya no so dia seda piesie ema TVET Director General ewa futuo sonko a wode ma no ehu.
After winning Adepam, Yakupona also moved from day one. Yeba oye TVET head office, and Yeba Sebeto oye one boss, that is Madam Mausi. Na menu ajibebre osande odahwa nekasemu no still oshen yenum kran oshen bebu num kran de yemfa ye ho share TVET adwumanum na TVET adwuma no ho wonfaso bebre. In terms of customer relation, or can be about the soft part of the job. Omami hunde ono no is about 80% of inedwuma na ye no osande satal na pampo no ye fe said then na entumendi wo time do entuma for customer na nkasa ye ya onbeja atal no ohyempo mfe nyije bi nye den on shatal no ntime hunde da mini no oda misua da menyame nyina me de kan wo na me customers widen wo nenwa